Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Souris is a small town on the northeastern coast of Prince Edward Island, located about 80 kilometers east of Charlottetown. With a population of around 1,000 people, it serves as an important service center for the eastern part of the island. The town overlooks Colville Bay and is known for its working harbor, ferry terminal, and strong connection to the sea. Long before European settlement, the area was part of the traditional territory of the Mi'kmaq, who traveled these coastal waters for fishing, hunting, and trade. European settlers arrived during the late 18th and early 19th centuries, attracted by the sheltered harbor and fertile farmland. The town gradually developed into an important fishing and shipping community that supported much of eastern Prince Edward Island. Souris grew rapidly during the 19th century as shipbuilding, fishing, and coastal trade expanded. Local shipyards built wooden sailing vessels that carried cargo throughout Atlantic Canada and beyond. The harbor became an important transportation hub, exporting lumber, potatoes, livestock, and seafood, while importing manufactured goods and supplies for nearby communities. Today, commercial fishing remains one of the town's largest industries. The harbor supports an active fleet of lobster boats, along with vessels involved in harvesting mussels, oysters, and other seafood. During the lobster season, the waterfront becomes especially busy as boats leave before sunrise and return with their daily catches. Seafood processing, marine transportation, boat repair, and equipment suppliers provide many additional jobs throughout the region. Souris is also home to the eastern terminal of the ferry connecting Prince Edward Island with the Îles de la Madeleine in Quebec. This seasonal service carries passengers, vehicles, and commercial traffic across the Gulf of St. Lawrence, strengthening economic and tourism connections between the island and the archipelago. The ferry also brings thousands of visitors to the region each year. Agriculture continues to play an important role in the surrounding countryside. Nearby farms produce potatoes, grains, hay, soybeans, and livestock. Many residents work in farming, agricultural transportation, equipment sales, food processing, and businesses that support Prince Edward Island's internationally recognized agricultural industry. Tourism has become an increasingly important part of the local economy. Visitors come to enjoy the scenic harbor, nearby beaches, hiking trails, cycling routes, and fresh seafood. Souris Beach Provincial Park, located just outside the town, is a popular destination during the summer months, offering warm waters and beautiful views of the Northumberland Strait. The town also provides easy access to several scenic coastal communities across eastern Prince Edward Island. Housing in Souris remains relatively affordable compared with many larger Canadian communities. The average home price generally ranges between $300,000 and $400,000 Canadian dollars, although prices vary depending on size, condition, and location. Waterfront homes and newer properties often sell for considerably more, while older homes can provide good value for buyers seeking a quieter lifestyle. Today, Souris remains one of the most important communities in eastern Prince Edward Island. Its working harbor, active fishing industry, ferry connection, and role as a regional service center continue to make it an essential part of island life. Thanks for watching!